How to import contacts into Gmail. This tutorial will show you how to import contacts from other mail clients into Gmail. Before you begin, you'll need a contact list that you exported from your old mail client in CSV or vCard format. To import the file, go to Contacts. Click Import. Use the Browse button to find your file. When you've found the correct file, double-click to select it. If you would like for these imported contacts to be added to a group, click this checkbox, then choose the group from the list. To finish, click Import. That's it! The 4 contacts have been imported successfully. Click OK to return to your contacts. Here are the 4 new contacts. They've also been added to our Internet Friends group. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to import contacts into Gmail.